So I'm in Banff from a couple of days, and if you haven't seen the past episodes, do watch them. Banff is just gorgeous.
We look to the mountains. We don't care if it's only a dream. Nothing is really what it seems anyway. Now little by little, in the twilight's gentle flow, in the dance of fading light we grow.
So hello beautiful people, welcome back to my travel trail. It's another day in Banff and it's day 3 and I'm here to explore Lake Louise. It is beautiful here. It's a beautiful sunny day again, like very cold, but it's sunny. And then we have to do a lot of things today. Like there will be a lot of hikes, trails to catch. But before that, we just landed here again on the same bus. That is the Rome Transit. We took the 7:30 a.m. one to reach here. That is the first one to reach Lake Louise from Banff National Park. And then we're here. So look how beautiful the lake is. It looks like somebody has painted, like it looks like a painting. On the top of the peaks, you'll see the sun over there. That's snowy mountains, if you could see. I'll take a better view for you. But look how beautiful it is. That's Lake Louise. It will take around 40 minutes or something to reach here from Banff on the same bus. Prior reservations needed on these seasons because there's a lot of crowd, if you'll see here. A lot of people. So that's about it. I'll just show you the views. Like you have to see them. It's beautiful here. So this is a beautiful lake. A little slippery here because of the snow maybe. Look at the mountain. So from the Lake Louise, so today I'll be going on a hike for Lake Agnes. It's around a 3.5 kilometers, like one-way hike, and it will take you around 4 to 5 hours. Like if you want to do that hike, spare that time to go there and come back. The trails are marked. You'll head straight towards Lake Louise. Then on the right-hand side, there's a trail. That side, it will take you up towards the right. That is the Lake Agnes. So I'm just starting it for now. Let's see how it goes. So the hike starts from here. Lake Agnes is 3.4. Yep. Then you'll reach the tea house and then there's Lake Mirror before that. It's a beautiful sunny day here today. But it's damn cold still. Yeah, and look at the fall colors. It's beautiful. So we are around walking from past 15 minutes. 1.5. The trail is beautiful, marked. You won't have any problem. But it's uphill, like not too steep till this point of time, but it will be incline only, some elevation. It's a beautiful day. It's I think 1 degree Celsius right now, and then but you're not feeling much now because you're already pumped up. Your body's warm with the hike. Let's see how much time it takes to reach to Lake Agnes first. 3.5 kilometers from the starting point till the lake with these beautiful views. Now it's 40 minutes into the hike and we have reached, I don't know how far, but it's beautiful. That's Lake Louise. Beautiful blue. The more you move up, the views are gonna be like spectacular. It's a beautiful day.
We look to the mountains. We don't care if it's only a dream. Nothing is really what it seems anyway.
So it's like an hour now from the time I've started. So finally I've reached the Mirror Lake. You can see the Big Beehive. This is the Big Beehive mountain. Behind this Mirror Lake. It's mirrored because you can see beautiful reflection. Again, it's a nice day. You can walk on your own pace. You can walk fast, you can walk slow. It depends on you. Come enjoying the views. The views are just beautiful that entire way. It's a beautiful day. So after Lake Mirror, you have to go again on towards the right. You'll find all the signs, so need not to worry. That is the way towards Lake Agnes. It's a beautiful day, fall, first week of October. That's the Lake Mirror, and that's the way towards Agnes.
Another shrug of the shoulders. I guess I'll be walking home in the rain. I lost you, but then you.
So for the Lake Agnes, you have to go that side. But if you want to do Little Beehive, you have to go first there. Like I'll recommend, go to Lake Agnes, spend some time there because there's a waterfall, views, lakes. Then after coming back, you can go this side for the Little Beehive. And we are heading here for now. When you see this fall, then there are some stairs you have to go up from here. There is where the cafe is, and apparently I think the lake will be there. I just have to go and find it. But the water is pretty cold and it's sunny, but still like it's cold, so you have to wear your jackets and even the gloves. I just removed them, but because right now like it's almost 10:30. Sun is up, so it's not that cold. But yeah, cap is on, jacket is on. Oh, I love this. It's beautiful. So the lake for Little Beehive is from here also. That is the tea house. You can wait here, get some snack. It's a beautiful place, sunny day. People will be standing here. There's a lake beside this, and the waterfall was right here. So you can go Little Beehive after reaching here to this side, or you can go all the way back where I showed, and from there also. And even the Big Beehive is from here. Let's see what will I do. But for now, I'm here. That's Lake Agnes. Reached here. You can see a lot of snow that side. That is where the big beehive is. From there. So because of the snow, it will get difficult to walk over there because of the normal shoes. If you have micro spikes, then it will be perfectly fine. So at this weather, right, in October start or October start by end, snow will be there. So you need to have micro spikes if you want to go all the way up. But in summers, I think it will be perfectly fine. It's not difficult. It's just the snow that will make it difficult. But for now, look at this lake. It's beautiful.
Just like the wind and the fire, wind and the fire. Forget about everything, every true remarkable thing. No longer we lost. Cold figure, coin toss. You say it's time, so am I.
So that side, that is Lake Agnes. So from here, this trail will take you to Plain of Six Glaciers if you want to do, and this one. This is like here only, but this is like 5 more kilometers if you want to add this hike also. But Little Beehive is that side. So Big Beehive is that side. That is Lake Agnes. This side is Big Beehive. Or again, from here, that's the washrooms, but this way will take you to Little Beehive again. I'm not sure if you want to go to Big Beehive also. So we are starting now to Big Beehive. Let's see. That side is Big Beehive. The pathway is like a little weird because we are not wearing the snowshoes or no micro spikes. But we are still going and seeing like if you'll be able to do it. This is October first week. If you'll do it a little later also in October end or something, still the scene will be same, but summers will be fine. So let's go and see like what Big Beehive is. So that's Lake Agnes, and you have to walk along the shore only. So the trail is along the shore till there, I guess, and from there you have to go up. I think so, I'm not really sure, but yeah. It's beautiful fall here, October first week. And a beautiful day again.
You get fooled by anyone so easily. I'm lost. You say it's time, so am I. But without
See this side, right? Because it's not getting much of the sun. It's like the snow is here, it's not melted. Some of it, like on the way, it's melted. But here, if you'll see, it's winter wonderland. We have to go towards the left, all the way to the up. So it's getting a little slippery because of the snow. We'll see, it's on the entire way, all the way to the top. Micro spikes will work, but I think we have to walk in this shoes only for now. Let's see. So it's slippery, it's snowy, and it's all the way to the top. It's steep. So Indian mountains, if you have practiced there, if you have done hikes there, altitude gains, you won't find it difficult in any mountain or any hike around the world, Indian Himalayas. So this is like getting pretty easier here. So this is, we came from there, like from that shore. Let's climb up, snow, slippery. Apart from that, it's a beautiful day. Going all the way up that side, I think around 100 meters left, but it's beautiful. Look at the views. you'll reach to the top from there. You'll find a flat land. Again, you have to go that side for the lookout. There's a way here also, I'm not sure, but I think we'll go there first, then we'll see. It's really beautiful and sunny up here. Look at all the ranges that side and mountains that side. Gorgeous. So it's beautiful, like crazy beautiful. See how blue the lake is. That's Lake Louise. That's Fairmont Hotel. It's spectacular. Oh my god, it's beautiful here. What a sunny, beautiful day. Look at the peaks. Oh my god.
In the dance of fading light we grow.
So from that point where you see the first glimpse of this beautiful lake, again you have to go up to catch a much better view. It's again, I think, some meters ahead. So finally you've reached. This is the view from Beehive. It's spectacular. It's beautiful. What a sunny, beautiful day it is. Worth it, man, worth it. Little slippery at this point of time because of October. Micro spikes, I'm not sure. If you have it, like, very good. Like, but if you don't, then also it's fine. Try to come early before the sun like comes really up, because that is the time the snow starts melting. But otherwise, it's fine. Reached all the way up towards the big beehive. Remember when we were in Mirror Lake, right? There was a dome behind it. That is exactly the summit of Big Beehive. You're standing here, if you could see, I'm not sure. That is the Mirror Lake. That is Lake Louise. It's beautiful here. And that's Louise Village. What a beautiful day. Worth it, worth it. So I was there, the big beehive. Now I'm coming down. So I almost came down. This is Lake Agnes running next to me. Now I'm going for the Little Beehive, but Little Beehive will have the same Lake Louise view, but let's see how different it is. You have to go all the way back from here, same trail to the tea house, and then from there again it's 1.2 I guess kilometers up. Let's see how much time it takes more to reach Little Beehive. So towards the Little Beehive, I'm going this way, that side, and you'll see Lake Louise there running next to you. See beautiful views of Lake Louise if you're going to Little Beehive. If you don't want to take the extra risk, because at this time, as I said, it's slippery. One of the guy got hurt. He started bleeding. If you don't have crampons. But if you have crampons, that's cool. But if you don't, it's not worth the risk. We anyway did it. But if you want to see views of Lake Louise, you can go to Little Beehive also. The views is exactly similar, I think, because I've seen some pictures. I'll just go up and see. But it will be similar. It's just from the Big Beehive, you'll see Mirror Lake as well as Louise. From Little Beehive, you'll see Louise. So let's see how it is going all the way up. So from Little Beehive also, that's your lake. That's Mirror Lake, and that's Lake Louise. You can see both from here too. but the views are awesome. Then you'll see it from Big Beehive. It doesn't even look that it was 0 degrees in the morning. As I said, Little Beehive, Lake Louise running just next to you. I hope you can see it. That is the way if you want to go to Mount Piran. Again, another hike. And then this is the way towards Little Beehive. There is again, Piran is again a summit. It's a mountain peak. Not exactly sure of the height. I think, not sure. But from here it's another 3 kilometers. But that's the way for Little Beehive. That's the view from Little Beehive. Beautiful. That's Mirror Lake, that's it. And that was Big Beehive. So after Little Beehive, you can go all the way down that side, that is towards Lake Agnes, or if you want to go towards Lake Louise, right, you need not to go back all the way to Agnes because you came up from here. There is another way that will take you down to Lake Louise. You'll see this point, again there is a trail markup, and then you can go that side. It will take you straight down to Lake Louise. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. So finally it's done, the Little Beehive, the Big Beehive, and I just came down. It's pretty sunny here, and that is the lake. It's very different when it's sunny. You can do canoe here also, like the kayak and all, but like it will be very expensive, I guess. So it's up to you. People are doing it, but it's a beautiful, beautiful day, and it was a beautiful hike. Till then, I think it's end of the day for me and end of this video also. So end of day 3 from Lake Louise to these beautiful hikes. Till then, I'll sign off for this episode. Till then, you can like, share and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more episodes.